Hi there, Aaron Dunn here from the SMSF Academy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at our new transfer balance cap compliance documents. And the first one here that we're looking at is around the ability to partially commute the income stream in order to have that member reduce their transfer balance amount down to the $1.6 million cap that commences from the 1st of July 2017. So what we're going to do here is just take a look at the generated document. So we have all the elements here that we already have with our campus platform. So we see here, we just put in this information around the particulars of the fund and that member information and trustee information in here. So what we're looking specifically at here is the requirement to reduce that member's transfer balance account down. In some instances, we'll see that members may have more than one income stream. So we're going to have to make some decisions around which income stream we're going to be reducing that from. And we do have guidance issued by the Commissioner through Practical Compliance Guideline 2017-5, which provides the specific information that we need to incorporate into this document. So you can see here, we're making the decision now, and that's one of the precursors, that this decision to commute by the member and which interest needs to occur prior to the 30th of June. So we've just populated there all of the trustee and member information, selected John Smith as the member that we're commuting with. Now this is where we now need to reference the PCG 2017-5, and if we have a specific interest here, so it may be that it's the account-based pension number 3 or number 2, whatever that income stream is, we then go and look at the clause that enables us to undertake that form of commutation. So we say it may be clause 23. Is it a rule or clause or something else? If we say it is a rule, we have the commutation date, which arguably for most clients, we're going to be doing that commutation right on the 30th of June so that that reported value is accommodated as at the 1st of July. We can make a decision whether that amount is being rolled back to accumulation phase or whether we're taking that as a lump sum. If there is a lump sum amount out, whether we're doing that as a cash or in specie payment. In a lot of instances, talking to our members, we see this as being a rollback to accumulation. So in that instance, we'll do that. We save that document and move on to the next phase. We review the information in there and then finally undertake the submit of that particular order. So that'll take just a minute or so to generate the document. So once that has generated, what we'll do is we'll come back and go through the completed order. Okay, so we can now see that this document has been generated. So we click on this particular order and you'll now see that we have the information here in respect to the partial commutation to comply with the transfer balance cap. So inside here, we can see the request to partially commute the account-based pension referred to as ABP number 3 on the 30th of June. And we then are making that request to complete the actual amount that needs to be partially commuted from that income stream as part of the annual compliance requirements. We have the member rolling back that amount and then confirm that it does not conflict with any other requests. We then see the actual trustee minutes of meeting, confirming the request, then also confirming how that approach will be dealt with in determining the actual calculation to comply with the 1.6 transfer balance cap, the powers to commute that income stream, and then the clear resolutions to finalise that. So that isn't the end of the road in respect to the partial commutation, but we can't do any further work around that until we actually have the financial statements of the fund completed. And the ATO have again confirmed that information within PCG 2017-5 that you don't need to specify the amount as part of this process, but the commutation documents do need to occur prior to the 30th of June 2017. So if you'd like to find out more in respect to these documents, you can reach out to us and we'd be more than happy to assist. Thank you.